All right, welcome to Math 2350, Business Calculus 1. My name is Dr. Barry Smith, and I'll be your instructor for the semester. My office is in PS 130. Here's my phone. Just leave a message if I don't answer. Probably the best way to get a hold of me outside of class or my office hours is my email address. Remember, you have to use your Casper College email address. My office hours are going to be during these times in my office. Here's a short intro video about myself. Moodle overview you're obviously watching. Here's a kind of a points about the class kind of to read. Announcements will be posted here. Course content kind of talks about what the course is about. One of the more important things for this class is this YouTube playlist. And so if you go here, you'll find lecture videos I've made for the class. And so there's not only just the lectures, but there's exercises worked and stuff like that. And so hopefully that'll get you so you can be able to understand stuff besides just reading the book and things like that. So that's going to be an important thing to use if you're having issues. Here's where all your assignments and stuff are. So you have a course home, so that'll take you to most of the stuff you need, and then you can access your assignments there, or you can click the assignments here. Here's your e-text for the class. This multimedia library is kind of useful sometimes for people. It has extra videos and ways to work different problems. It has different examples worked out. If you want to use a study plan that help you get kind of a stronger base, there's a study plan you can use as well. Course documents, we have the syllabus. Make sure you read it completely to understand everything. Here's the calendar for the semester, which is at the end of the syllabus. And basically, it tells you kind of what we're doing and when we're doing it. The test is going to be taken hopefully this semester in the testing center. That way you can have kind of an unlimited amount of time instead of 50 minutes because I can make a test really short and some people can take 20 minutes and some people can take 2 hours. And so I'm trying to have everybody have a same amount of time as they need or want. And so if you only want to take the 20 minutes, you can do that. But if you want to take 2 hours, you can do that. And I can't do that in a classroom. So testing center is the best way to do that. Here's their hours and clicking here, that'll get you to a place where you can actually make an appointment. And so if you go over to the testing center site, you can schedule an appointment. Just look for my name and the class, and you can schedule that appointment. Math study skills are kind of skills to be used to study math or any other class for that matter. I've had used people say they use them for other science classes or even English classes and stuff. So, this kind of ways to study and how your brain works. So here's some advice from past students. So sometimes it's useful, sometimes not, but go ahead and take it for what it is. Helpful links. We have Digital Learning Center, Help Desk, Disability Services. Here's a tutoring and study resources. So this is kind of a useful site. We have the STEM Center on here, and so you can go in here and PS 104, and they can help you. And it's not just for this class, but it's also other science classes and other classes that that are STEM related. Writing Center is also here, Statistics Lab, and some other just useful links that you can use possibly. Student Handbook. These are some videos about how we can all succeed basically in math. And so it's basically believing in yourself, having the grit and willpower to get through it. How, you can learn how to different study skills here, as well as eliminating math anxiety. Some people have used that and it works. Khan Academy is another place for videos. Not sure how much it'll be of this level of class. Desmos, sometimes we could use that in this class. And TI Calculator, if you have trouble with your 84, that'll help you get to maybe places where you can get help, or I can help you if you have a TI 84. All right, so module one, this is our goal is to get it done between 21 January and 12 February. And so before the 12 February, notice there's a few things that have due dates before that. And these are hard due dates. So you have to have this stuff done. I won't reopen those. And that's the introduction, the syllabus quiz, and email me. And that's because this is the census due date. And so I figure if you're going to be in the class, you'll have it done by that date. And so then I'll be able to say, yeah, you're in the class. Okay. Mathematics poll, answer honestly. Do you like math, hate math, however you want to look at it? That's kind of what to look at there. And so uh, that's kind of what that's going to be. Then we have well, they have the outcomes, and then we have study skills journal. That's another one. They have hard due dates. And again, this is going to be the end date of the module. And so as long as you have it done then, it opens on the 21st. And so that's going to be how that works. Now, our exams, like I said, are going to be in a testing center. They're going to be paper-based, but you're going to have, before you go there, do a pre-exam self-reflection. And so that's what you need to do. It kind of tells you where you're at for this exam and also tells me where you're at with the exam. And then after you take it, you go home and you do the post-exam, and that tells me, okay, what did I think of it? Was it, oops, I messed up, I didn't study hard enough, or oh, that was easy, I did good, I'm ready for, I'm studying the proper way for these exams. And so that's kind of the key. Now, when you're taking these exams in the testing center, you're going to have like a 3-day window. So you have 3 different days you can take it. And so maybe like if it ends at 12, maybe 12, 13, 14 or something like that. And so you'll have 3 days to decide which one to take. And so that's kind of how that's going to work. Now, the rest of the modules are going to work the same way. You have study skills, pre and post exam, and everything else is up here in the MyLab stuff, all the homework and quizzes and reviews, and then you have that. And so as we keep going down, basically the rest of the modules are just study skills, pre and post exams, and that's all it is for the rest of the time. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Email me or see me in class. And here's to a great semester.